cry with my voice, have mercy upon me, and answer me. When thou saidst, seek ye my face, my heart said unto thee, thy face, Yahuwah, will I seek. Hide not thy face far from me. Put not thy servant away in anger. Thou hast been my help. Leave me not, neither forsake me, O Elohim of my salvation. When my father and my mother forsake me, then Yahuwah will take me up. Teach me thy way, O Yahuwah, and lead me in a plain path because of mine enemies. Deliver me not over unto the will of mine enemies, for false witnesses are risen up against me, and such as breathe out cruelty. I had fainted, unless I had believed to see the goodness of Yahuwah in the land of the living. Wait on Yahuwah. Be of good courage, and he shall strengthen thine heart. Wait, I say, on Yahuwah.